What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again. So I'm gonna tell a story on what happened to the Subaru at 800 miles, where it got Rodknock and what happened. But right now we're on our way to go get some smoothies from, you know, the spot, Copacabana. So we're gonna head there and then we'll tell this story on the way. Thank God for Apple Pay. Alright guys, while the car's filling up, I want to mention that I bought the car with 85,000 miles. I think it was 85 or 86,000 miles. Don't really exactly remember. But it's 86, we're going to say 86,000 miles, okay? Bought the car, looked good, good condition, well kept, at least to my knowledge. That's what I thought. Now, there was a couple signs that made me think otherwise, which I will mention. We are here at the spot, Fruteria Copacabana. Let's get our smoothie. What matters is the Subi. I had it for, I want to say about 2.5 weeks, and I have been driving it for a while now. It was like about 700 to 800 miles. And one day I went out cruising with the homies, and we're going cruising. We got some, what did we get? Boba. We went to go get some boba. We came back down, and you know, we're on the freeway cruising, whatnot. And then I went to go take boba to Jamie, where she works at, and I took her one. And as I was getting there, I was already getting there, like a mile out, I started to hear a weird noise, a familiar noise, and I was like, oh hell nah, bro, this noise sounds too familiar. It's haunting me. In my dreams, everywhere I go in the S2000, I was like, nah, this can't be, this cannot be. So I pulled over to the side, I got her drink. She was happy she got her drink. I stopped, I get her drink, whatnot. I came back out, I turned on the car, and I was like, I heard the noise, and I was like, damn dude, this noise, like what the hell is going on? So then I went and I gave John a call, because he works for Subaru. He's a tech, he's a mechanic, he knows. I know a little bit, but I just wanted to double check and confirm. So I hit him up, hey dude, this noise, what's going on? What's this noise? He heard it, he's like, dude, doesn't sound good. Stay there, don't go anywhere, I'll pull up. He pulls up, and sure enough, Rodknock. And I was like, bruh, what? How is this possible? How do I have Rodknock? The package is secure. We got the smoothie. Anyways, back to my story. I called the tow truck. Tow truck picked me up, took me back to the house. And the following day, I didn't go to work because I was like, hell no, I'm taking this back to the dealership. I've just had it for 2 weeks at most, 2.5 weeks at most. And I took it back to the dealership. I'm pulling up to the dealership with the Subi on top of the tow truck. Everybody recognizes it only because it belonged to someone that worked at the dealership. One of the salesmen was the owner of that car, and I feel like everybody knew. Everybody knew. It was kind of weird, because one of the other friends of that salesman, he came up to me and said, oh, what happened to the car? And I was like, oh dude, it got Rodknock. He's like, oh man, were you giving it the beans? I was like, no bro, what the fuck? Like, I was not giving it the beans. I was just cruising, and this shit decided to go blow up on me. Give it to the dealership, the service advisors. They start doing their thing. They start, you know, they tear it down, and then I finally get a call and be like, yeah, sure enough, it has Rodknock. And I was like, yeah, I already knew that. Why are you telling me something I already knew? You guys gotta fix this. And they did not want to fix it. So I had to go back through all my paperwork. And what's funny is I found a glitch in the fucking matrix. And one of the paperwork, it showed that if the car is under 1,000 miles and under 30 days, everything is under warranty, except transmission. The transmission was the only thing not under warranty. So luckily the engine was under warranty, and they were trying to fight it and not get me to get it, but it just didn't happen. And then I knew a manager at one of my shops that I go to work at. He used to be a service advisor at that dealership that I got it. So I told him, hey man, talk with the service manager. He's like, I got you. So he spoke to the service manager, took care of everything. And from there on, everything went out smoothly. They couldn't find a block for a good minute. The car was out for 3 weeks. They couldn't find a block. They couldn't find the bottom block, and they were trying to find it and they couldn't find it. Luckily, they finally found it. Once they found it, I I did replace a couple other things that were gonna come out of my pocket that just like should have been replaced because the whole engine was already disassembled, taken apart and whatnot. So I got that taken care of while that was at. But at the end of it, that I got a whole new, semi-new, almost new, brand new engine from the dealership for free. I was stoked and I was psyched about it. Do some other shit with it because I'm really excited. Coming up this next week, I'm gonna be doing a couple things to it. So I'm really excited about that. So the Subi's back on the channel. I'm excited. We're gonna do things. Hell yeah. Stay tuned. Just quick story time. Quick, kind of, not really, but oh well. Let's get going. But that's the story on the Subi and how I got Rodknock and a new, practically almost a new engine for free. So I'm excited. I was excited and happy about that. You know, at least it got taken care of. Anyways, other than that, you guys, this rest of the week is just my week. I'm going to my brother's ranch thing that he does. I don't know what else I got planned as far as automotive wise. But I do got stuff planned following week for that, so then we'll go from there.
What's up, everyone? Here at the ranch. Hey,
we came to the ranch where my brother has his horse. This isn't his horse, but I mean, it's one of the horses.
No.
I want to touch it. I like the lawn.
Yeah.
It's like height, but just fat.
Look at him.
My sister, her neighbor has like a pig and like she takes it on one. He always like, hey, pig,
He tries to bite you?
Yeah, look, watch. Looking at my clip.
Does he let you pet him? Oh look, be careful, be careful. I can see him wanting to.
See?
You see how he is?
This is my horse.
I don't know. Oh yeah. Look, they're looking over here.
Oh,
But the other mom, she'll let you grab it. Why is it?
Yeah.
Oh no, he's fighting.
Look. Ooh, ooh.
Bro, come back.
I saw that.
Okay. Look. Alright.
Say yes, you're sorry.
Alright, let's go.
No, that's how it works.
Oh yeah?
Get out.
Whips. And when you go like this, they get like height.
Oh, okay. Oh, she's kicked you, son.
Yeah, she did.
Say thank you. He said he liked it. Like it?
I just wanted to interrupt real quick just to stop the video to give it a little context of what's gonna happen in the next following clips. So when I was about like 17 years old, maybe around there, so I went to this ranch at one of my mom's cousins had, and they had a pony. They had horses, but they had the pony. But I got on the pony, and the pony got crazy. Like, it wasn't crazy. It didn't get crazy till the end. The clip cuts out, but it gets crazy at the end. You kind of see it. So I kind of wanted to show that, and then I wanted to show my redemption. I got on this big old horse. It was pretty cool. It was fun. I was excited. Let's roll the clips. This was the exhilarating feeling. I was getting the adrenaline pumping through my veins. I felt like I was going at 80 miles per hour. This was insane, but I finally got my redemption and I got a horse, a real horse this time. And it was the greatest thing